eggs, honey. Mm, 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 mm. Okay. What's up, you guys? It's your girl Khadijah and I'm back with another video. So today I am going to be doing the 25 facts about me, and I'm gonna be eating because I'm motherfucking hungry. So I don't know if y'all can see it, but I got me some boiling king crab. Y'all know I gotta make my thumbnail. Alright, so if that didn't get it over there. Anyway, I'm about to get real messy. Y'all see I had to get comfortable. I ain't got no bra on because I don't know about y'all, but I don't eat with my bra on because it's a distraction. And I be needing to concentrate on my food. So, yo, this is about to get really, really messy. Why they stuff all this shit in this little bitty ass bag? So I got me some eggs, I got me some snow crabs, I got me some corn, and I got me some potatoes. Oh, and I can't forget my shrimp. This is my first time eating from here. I usually go to Crazy Crab, which is in Grand Prairie. But this is Boiling King Crab, which is in Arlington, so we'll see. Oh. Damn, it's so spicy. Y'all don't know about y'all, but I love me some eggs. Okay, so. This shit's spicy, but it's good. Okay, so the first fact about me is my name's Khadijah. If y'all didn't know, my mama got that off of Living Single, a show back in the 90s. I know most of y'all should know about it, but yeah, that's where she got it from. Y'all, this shit is good. The second thing about me is that I just turned 26. Okay, now that's just being greedy. I ain't even gonna go through all that. But yeah, I just turned 26. I had a birthday May 14th. So yes, I am a Taurus. That is another fact about me. And you know, this is gonna be titled 25, but I'm gonna just be giving y'all some facts while I eat my food. Now, if I don't get too tied up into it, because you know when you be eating, you be focusing. You know black folks gonna be talking while they eat. So this gonna be a challenge. But this is good. Another fact about me is that I have 2 kids, a boy and a girl, Kylie and Junior. Another fact, and y'all, this is not no me being cute video. Yeah, my makeup is done, my hair put up, but I'm ashy. I got on gym shorts, got on a regular t-shirt, and I ain't got no bra on. So me and my titties is hanging out with y'all today, because these bitches damn near hit the floor. But anyway, back to what I was saying. So another fact is that I am from Florida, Pensacola, Florida, born and raised. And you wanna know what's crazy? The fact that I'm from Florida, but I ain't never been to Miami. Ain't that crazy? So, yeah. I have a brother. My mom only had 2 kids and stopped. She won with all that. And she's still a bad body. How that work? Anyway, don't tell her I said that. These eggs, honey. Okay. That was good. Now, where was I? Oh, so besides seafood, because I love me a seafood boy, this is my favorite food. My favorite food is wings and hamburgers. I love me a good burger. So, another thing is I don't eat cheese. Now, let me be clear on that. So, I don't eat sliced cheese, but I don't eat cheese on my burger. I take the cheese off my pizza, but I fuck some macaroni and cheese up. But it gotta be baked. And I like nachos and cheese, so it's weird. Thought the Rona was trying to sneak up on me, but these spices, girl. But ooh, chill. Okay, now they tripping with this meat. Hold on. My favorite drink is Coke. I fucked it up. Another fact about me is, y'all see I'm fat as hell. But baby, I am tired. When I say I am tired of stuffing my stomach into my damn pants, that's a fact. Okay, so another fact is that I'm goofy as hell, y'all. I'm so goofy. I will laugh at any damn thing if it's funny. But yeah, I got that honest. My favorite ice cream, y'all, this meat good as fuck. But my favorite ice cream is vanilla or cookies and cream. And that's just that on that. Oh, a good one is, y'all, I don't know how to sing a lick, but your bitch gonna sing whatever, whenever, however. I'ma sing, but I can't sing. So, and I sing anything. Like, I be at work, I be singing anything. You can be like, hand me them needles over there. I'm gonna be like, hand me those needles. Hand me those needles. I just be singing everything. Like, I don't know where they come from, but I do. That's how you know I'm in the room, because I'm saying some shit. My favorite movie series is Fast and Furious. Like, I fuck with that heavy. Anytime it come on like the regular TV, like, I'm finna click on it and I'm finna sit there and I want peace and quiet like I ain't never seen it before. That's just that on that. And y'all, my favorite music genre is, I just can't believe I'm gonna put that in my mouth, just greedy. But 90s R&B. Of course I'm a 90s baby, but the music that was made in the 90s was dope. There's a couple of 80s and 70s joints I'll fuck with too though. But I fuck with the 90s hard. Oh my god, y'all, I'm gonna have to take me another show, cause I'm getting juice everywhere. But so good. What else? Another thing, I don't like the word no. Like, if you tell me no, I probably punch you in the throat. Like, and another, like, I'm not gonna ask you. If I really feel like I'm gonna get a no, I'm just not gonna ask, because I don't like hearing it. Like, I just don't. So, yeah. I'm very impatient. Very impatient. Very. That's on everything. What else? I am Oh, this is so good. I'm a medical assistant. I love my job. Well, it's a career, basically. I went to school for it. That shit is a career. Do you hear me? But I am a medical assistant. If you guys want to know more about that, let me know. I'll give y'all the tea on being an MA. My first job was McDonald's. I think that was everybody's first job, or Wendy's. But yeah. Woo! I think I told y'all that I was a picky eater, basically. I don't really eat shit. So yeah. Another fun fact. Do I think everybody can relate? I am an impulsive, compulsive spender. Like, I just gotta spend money. But so I really thought that I could do this video while eating, but I can't. So y'all got some facts about me. Whoop-de-doo. You want to know some more, you just gonna have to learn on the way, because baby, I'm finna eat and I can't concentrate on my food, and that's just that on it. So what I am going to do is get y'all the hell up out of here, and I'm just gonna finish my food, period. Bye. Oh, before y'all go, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Peace.